bag, she carries Christmas joy through the years. A ladder of love can melt any frozen heart, bringing happiness to all. She's a true work of art. From castle to cottage, she brings holiday cheer. With love and words, she soothes every holiday fear. Mistletoe, magic, gingerbread, and snowy days. The royal nanny's here and warm stays. She sings Christmas carols of love and goodwill, bringing people together with a festive thrill. With every gift she spreads a little light, making the world just a bit better tonight. Golden ribbons, shining lights, it's a royal affair. And the nanny is the star with a crown of hair. She reminds us all the true meaning of Christmas time, with a spirit of love and joy so sublime. So here's to the royal nanny, our holiday guide. In this Christmas story, she'll forever abide. For when she departs, she leaves a way, making every heart a little bit more merry, a little less free. Her laughter and love can melt any frozen heart, bring happiness to all. She's a true work of art. From castle to cottage, she brings holiday cheer. With loving words, she soothes every holiday fear. Mistletoe, magic, gingerbread, snowy days. The royal nanny's here and her wolf stays. She sings Christmas carols of love and goodwill, bring people together with a festive feel. Of a fairy tale, a royal nanny appears. In her bag, she carries Christmas joy through the years. A ladder of love can melt any frozen heart, bringing happiness to all. She's a true work of art. From castle to cottage, she brings holiday cheer. With love and words, she soothes every holiday fear. Mistletoe, magic, gingerbread, and snowy days. The royal nanny's here and warm stays. She sings Christmas carols of love and goodwill, bring people together with a festive thrill. With every gift she spreads a little light, making the world just a bit better tonight. Golden ribbons, shining lights, it's a royal affair. And the nanny is the star with a crown of hair. She reminds us all the true meaning of Christmas time, with a spirit of love and joy so sublime. So here's to the royal nanny, our holiday guide. In this Christmas story, she'll